All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Once again, this is chapter 5.3, and in this section, we're going to add, subtract, and multiply polynomials. A lot of this is actually going to feel kind of like review because the operations we're doing are actually very similar to things we've done in the past. We're just going to put it in the language of polynomials now. So, like the title says, today's success criteria, we're going to be able to add, subtract, and multiply polynomials of any size. So let's look at an example here. We have two polynomials here, right? This one and this one. You can see they're separated with the parentheses like that. This one over here is a cubic. This one over here is a quadratic. And when we add these two things together, right, the parentheses is really just there to separate the polynomials. It doesn't mean anything operations-wise. All we're really going to do here is combine like terms, and that's a funny looking N, but that's what it is. Combine like terms. So we've got a y cubed term here with no other y cubed terms, so this y cubed ends up being by itself. We have a y squared term and a y squared term. That's going to be negative 6y squared. We have a negative 7y and a positive 2y. That's minus 5y. And then this negative 5 is all by itself. So that is it. We just combined like terms in order to add the two polynomials together. We add the cubic terms, the quadratic terms, the linear terms, the constant terms all together. Okay? Let's look at a subtraction example here. Now here's the one place where you do have to be a little bit careful. So check this operator right here, this subtraction sign. We are subtracting this polynomial, right? We're subtracting everything. So the thing to remember here is when you're subtracting, remember that we're subtracting 8x cubed and we're subtracting negative x squared and we're subtracting minus 5x and we're subtracting positive 1. Almost looks like we're distributing that, right? And it kind of is what we're doing. We're kind of multiplying this by negative 1. So these terms end up being negative 8x cubed, positive x squared, right? Because negative minus a negative makes positive. Minus a negative here makes plus 5x, and that's minus 1. So now that we've done that part, we are just going to combine like terms like we did before. 3x cubed, negative 8x cubed, negative 5x cubed. I see only one x squared term, plus x squared. We have a negative x, positive 5x, that's plus 4x. And we have a 7 and a minus 1, so that's plus 6. And there is our final answer. We have combined all the like terms, therefore everything is complete. All right, that does it for this first video on adding and subtracting. There is a couple of practice problems on your Canvas that I would like you to go back and do those. And then we'll see you in the next video where we multiply.